Shadoo boop, shadoo boop, shadoo be doo wee. Shadoo boop, shadoo boop, shadoo be doo wah. Shadoo boop, shadoo boop, shadoo be doo wee. Boo da boop, 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 boo da boo wah. Oh, I didn't see you. Southside Stacker here, just playing with some magnets. And before this video starts, just wanted to send a special shout out to Coin Collector. His channel is very new, and I saw one of the coolest videos. It was about the 10 pence alphabet series coming out of Great Britain. So I'll add a link to his channel in the description. I think he's at like 28 subs right now, so let's get him above 30. Let's do it tonight. And this might sound weird, but I'm going to say hello again. Like right now. Hello everyone. Southside Stacker here. And I got some silver in. But the post office wrapped it up in this little plastic, apologizing for damage on my box. And I looked at the box and I was like, what's the damage? So I took it out of the little plastic they provided with their apology note on it. We care and all that stuff. And there's a whole bunch of grease on it. Who lubed up the box? Alright, forget about that. Turns out it was just Pine Sol. So let me show you this 10-ounce chunky I got from Silver Gold Bull. It's one of their own branded bars. This is minted by Sunshine Minting, so really good quality. Frosted Charging Bull logo, mirrored background, and then the ghosted logos behind that. It looks really good. Build your wealth in ounces. I like that. The front here is half of the logo. I'm not sure if it's a brushed metal background or not. Get that in focus. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a brushed metal background because it's in plastic. Might be a mirror. You have the Silver Gold Bull logo there. 999 fine, 10 ounces. Really good. I'm really happy with this purchase. Really happy with it. I like it. The service, the mint, the packaging, the price. Did I mention I got this at $14.41 an ounce? It was really good. Really good. $14.41 per ounce. It was a really good deal. Met the minimum order. Free shipping. It was nice. Oh, man. All right. I know a lot of you have this bar, so there's not much I can say about it, except for what I already said. Thank you very much for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.